Yo, what's good? This is Diamond Platinums and chilling here with DJ Tanaman on Star FM. Holla at your boy.
Standing still, cold floor, bright lights, body losing will. Flashbacks hitting like a wave too strong. In that fragile moment, I knew what I'd want. Not the money, not the dreams I chase. Just your hand, just your face. I whispered your name under my breath, wondering if this was dancing with death. It's crazy how love shows up so clear when tomorrow suddenly disappears. All I needed in that moment's pain was you telling me I'd be okay. I realized I might never see the man of my dreams standing next to me, and it broke my heart in the scariest way. Cause love feels deeper when it might slip away. Your love is comfort, warm and true, a quiet strength pulling me through. If this is love, then love is rare. Hold every moment, life isn't fair. Tell me breathe, to help me stand. In that silence I felt you close, like love can travel where the body goes. I saw our laughter, our late night talks, simple things, our barefoot walks. And it scared me how fast it came, how everything could change in a second of pain. We planned forever like it's guaranteed, but life don't promise what we need. Why did I twist of when Jah really up for grabs? I step out with intention, focusing on my chest. Me put my whole soul in everything. Me only aim for do the best. Not for hype, not for show, not for wear no crown, but for another game. When I boast, when I brag, I just know my purpose. Why be normal when Jah build you for greatness? I step out with intention, focusing on my chest. Me put my whole soul in everything. Me only aim for do the best. Not for hype, not for show, not for wear no crown, but for another gift where just spirit bring down. Me no move reckless, me move with discipline. Every goal when me touch, me put me heart within. Them call it pride, no star of confidence. That calm me know say Jah walk with me when the road look black. Me not arrogant, me just aware of my skill. Me put in the work, me climb every hill. Me not follow crowd, me build my own track. And normal never lift nobody greatness, bring you back. Why be normal when you're born to be great? Me put my whole spirit in everything me create. Me do it with love, me do it with zest. Me nah aim small, me go feed the best. Hated our love, me still stay true. My vision clear, me know what me do. Bulletproof mind, me rise above the test. Me nah live normal, me live feed the best. No fear, hatred that only show truth. People only throw shade when you're bearing good fruit. Love come and go, but intention stays. So me trust action more than with them.
Don't tell me not to cry. You know the reason why. Darling, my heart can stay dry. I know you're not far away, nor gonna wait to stay. But I am missing my baby. You know my ways when I thought to say, baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. You make my heart can't find nothing else to do. I can't take you off my mind. So many years you're giving me your time. I love it when you are near and I'm beside you when you can. Baby, I love you. You make my heart can't find nothing else to do. I see your love for me. What's left for me to feel?
were never broken. We clash like thunder in the midnight rain. Harsh little words, yeah, we don't like pain. Yeah, you raise your voice, I bite my tongue. No, no, say things we don't mean when the fire's young. Phone ringing loud, but my heart say no. Oh, if I answer now, I might let something go. Something sharp, something I can't take back, yeah. So I let it ring, yeah, I hang up fast. Cause loving you don't mean I gotta hold you. Fair. And silence sometimes is the kindest truth. Easy smiles, open hands. Hey, we're Tanaman. Promises felt weightless, like we already had a plan. I let my mouth move faster, and my heart could slow it down. Turn small sparks into wildfires, watched us almost burn to come. I didn't mean to hurt you, but intention doesn't heal. And silence sits between us, and everything feels real. I held our love like treasure, didn't guard it like I should. Now I'm living with the knowing that I could've loved you better than I did. I replay every argument, every night I shut you out. Every time you reached for me, while I was full of doubt. You weren't asking me for perfect, just honesty and time. But fear made me defensive, made me cross too many lines. I see now how fragile love can be when pride is loud. How two people can be lonely standing in the same house, still even good to damage. My heart keeps pointing back to the man I fell in love with, to the life we almost had. I know forgiveness isn't easy, trust don't grow overnight, and the past don't disappear just cause we decide to try to wanna heal what broke between the words we couldn't say. But I'm scared we'll trip again on your
Oh yeah. Baby, maybe you're a slow learner, but I'm hoping you will get it right. Hey, we're Tanaman. These words in my eyes, trying to telling you the story why I've been staring at you all this time. It could be you're a little shy, or maybe you just can't read these signs that I'm calling you, so I'm sending you these lines. Oh, that you're just always on my mind, darling. You're always on my mind. Oh yeah, I'm pouring out my heart inside, sending all the love clues from me for you to find. I don't want my feelings to hide, so I'm hoping that your eyes will someday align with mine. That's why I'm staring at you, using all the time that I can find. Because baby, you're always on my mind. Oh yeah, you're just always on my mind. competing for you and I ain't running no race. Oh yeah. But darling, who wouldn't wanna take my place if they get a taste of the feeling of the love you made? Oh yeah. Darling, I don't want you to give no one the feeling of the love we made. I'm not giving you no space. I'm just afraid of those who are looking for your kind of sweetness to take. I ain't competing for you and I ain't running no race. Oh yeah. But darling, who wouldn't wanna take my place if they get a taste of the feeling of the love you made? Oh yeah. Darling, I don't want you to give no one the feeling of the love we made. Oh, this kind of sweetness no one else should ever get to taste. Tell me, baby, who would wanna leave a love or give a feeling so tender and rare? Ah, yeah, just thinking of losing you makes me feel so scared. Oh, Lord, I'm sorry for not giving you much space. It's really hard to face my fear. Forget about ever walking away.
You don't reach for me in the midnight hours. You don't whisper my name through the dark. Used to trace my skin like I was your shelter. Now you walk past me like I'm lost in the fog. Your silence louder than thunder rolling. Your eyes don't hold me the same. I'm dancing alone in a house we built together, standing in love while you step out the frame. Tell me truth, don't sugar the pain. I can drown, but don't shame me in rain. If your heart found another direction, don't keep me in false affection. If you don't love me like you used to, let me go. Hey, we're Tanaman. Don't reach for me in the midnight hours. You don't whisper my name through the dark. Used to trace my skin like I was your shelter. Now you walk past me like I'm lost in the fog. Your silence louder than thunder rolling. Your eyes don't hold me the same. I'm dancing alone in a house we built together, standing in love while you step out the frame. Tell me truth, don't sugar the pain. I can drown, but don't shame me in rain. If your heart found another direction, don't keep me in false affection. If you don't love me like you used to, let me go. Let me know. Don't hold my soul where your fire don't glow. If your kisses don't carry me home, let me go. Don't build tomorrow on memories. I'd rather cry than honest goodbye than leaving a love that slowly dies. I still wear the promises around. See the way you look at me, like I'm the only one. Like you're holding on to something you've already begun. You're trying hard to pull me closer, but I'm still holding on to fear. I wish I could be stronger when you're standing right here. You show up every morning like you're fighting for a chance, trying to prove that what we have is more than circumstance. And every time you reach for me, I feel it in my chest, but my heart is still recovering, and it needs a slower step. I don't wanna hurt you, so I'm telling you the truth. I'm not ready to love you back, even though you're everything I lack. I'm sorry that I can't meet you where you stand. I need time, but I don't want this to end. Please don't think I don't care like that. I'm just not ready to love you back. You hold on to the hope that one day I'll fall too, but falling isn't easy when you've been bruised the way I've been bruised. Oh,
I need to ask you something. Hey, we're Tanaman. Love. And I need you to be honest. Yeah. I keep wondering if I'm doing enough. Oh, babe, if the way I love you is what you really need, love. I lie awake thinking about every word I said today. Did I make you feel safe? Did I make you feel wanted? Yeah. I see the distance in your eyes sometimes, and I don't know if it's me. Ooh, every laugh, every glance, every little fight, it stays with me. Love, so tell me, how am I supposed to be myself around you if I can't even read your heart? So how am I supposed to live with all this doubt? Yeah. How do I keep my heart steady when I feel you slipping sometimes? Ooh, babe, you're in every thought I have, every quiet moment. And I can't stop imagining what it would be like if you ever turn away, love. Tell me seriously, how do I hold on and give you space at the same time? Yeah. How do I love you right without losing myself? Oh, I'm asking because I don't know.